Right guys, welcome to today's video. My first video for wild cooking. Myself and my wife have just come out for a walk 10 minutes away from our local house to the Sandy Bay area on the River Eden. Today we're going to be cooking Cumberland sausages, oak smoked back dry cured bacon with a couple of eggs thrown in, and of course the secret ingredient to any true northerner's diet, brown sauce. The equipment that we're going to be using is the OEX solar cook set. Inside there I've got my tea, my sugar and a little Van Gogh stove. Used that many times before, very worthwhile having, very good bit of kit. I've also recently purchased the OEX Fryster frying pan. I used to take out a normal frying pan, found it to be too big, so I wanted to find something that fit more comfortably inside my backpack and was still worthwhile using. I've also got the new OEX Novo gas stove. I wanted one that was based on the floor rather than sitting on top of the gas canister for stability whilst using the frying pan. Got my windbreak. Shouldn't need it today, but better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. And I've also got another new piece of kit, which is the Gerber Complete. So this is a very nifty bit of kit. It's 4 items all pressed, snipped together, held together by this multi-tool, which is a bottle opener, can opener, potato peeler. You've got a fork, a spoon and a spatula. And what you can very cleverly do is link either the fork or the spoon into it to create a set of tongs, which is going to be very handy today when we're doing the bacon and the eggs. So I'll get set up and I'll come back to you. Right, so I've got both my stoves set up. I'm using the Novo for the frying pan, just letting that get warmed up. Do the sausages and the bacon first, and then I'll use the top of my solar to keep them warm while I'm doing my eggs. So we'll get a little bit of oil on the job. Just got it on low. I'll maybe just turn that down a wee bit. She's smoking away. So while that warms up nicely, we'll just have a little look around Sandy Bay, an area often used by climbers, right by the River Eden, where myself and my wife often do sometimes come for a swim. There she is over there, very peaceful and quiet, especially given today's times where we're all on lockdown. So this is a 10-minute walk from my house. Hopefully spend half an hour here, something like that, and then get myself back home after some scran. Right, so we're smoking away nicely there. So we're going to use the new tongs, part of the complete system. I'm going to get a couple of sausages on. Whoa, listen to that. Very handy these, very handy indeed. Get paid about £22 and go outdoors, so very worthwhile getting. We'll see how they perform over the day. Right, we'll let them get going and I'll come back to you in a little bit. Right, so that's these sausages almost done, nice and well done, just how I like them. So we're going to take them off and get the bacon on. Right, I'll come back to you. Oh, would you look at that bacon. Hopefully I'll have my camera stand for next time, so I can get a bit of better footage for you all. But unfortunately it didn't come in time for today, but that's not going to affect the outcome of these bacon, sausage and egg butties. Would you look at that. Right, we'll let this bacon finish off and then I'll get the eggs on. I'll see you in a bit. Right, so I'm struggling a wee bit without having a proper camera stand, so I've got the sausage and the bacon keeping warm there, both my eggs in. Separated the complete now, so I'm just using the spatula for the eggs, which are cooking very nicely. So I'll get these finished off, and we should have a couple of very nice butties coming up very shortly. Right, so that's the eggs done. I'm just gonna get it all put together. Can't wait to tuck into this, so I'm absolutely starving. Like I say, I can't recommend these the Gerber complete knife, fork, spoon, spatula nib set. Very handy, and for 22 quid you can't really go wrong at all. I'll pop them back in there. Right, where's my secret ingredient? A bit of brown sauce on them bad boys. Perfect. Perfect. Just doesn't get any better than this. I mean, look at it. Birds are singing, peace and quiet, rivers flowing. Fantastic. I found the new OAX ground stove. Excellent. I found I kept half turning it down. It's very cooked, very warm, hence why everything was well done, but I kind of like it that way anyways. And the little OAX frying pan, a little bit small, but you know, you're going camping, hiking, you don't want something too big. So for what I paid for it, I think I ended up paying about £8 for it. You can't go wrong. Right, I'm going to finish my butties, and I'll come back to you in a little while. That's the water boiling, so time for a cup of tea, love. I'll knock that off. Effect. Oh, apart from, we've got a rogue Burger King salt in the cup of tea. Yeah, fantastic. It'll be right. Right. I'll get the milks in these and enjoy them, and I'll come back to you. Alright guys, so big thank you for clicking on my very first video. Hopefully I'll get used to this recording crack and editing crack. I'm no tech wizard or out like that, but hopefully I'm looking forward to bringing you some more reviews, and once we're off the lockdown I'll be able to get out camping with the boys again and show you some good camps. So thanks again. Any support, likes, followers, anything like that would be greatly appreciated. Much love, stay safe from a Cumbrian lad.